Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video to do today. I'm not sure if it's Amazon also, but I do believe is this a unboxing video coming from a company. We shall see what they sent us. And like I said, all you gotta do is click the link down below, which are safe websites to click, and see what they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We are in holiday prime mode, guys, so you might want to start looking now, see what you want for Christmas, and let Santa Claus know he'll be coming down your chimneys very soon. There we go. Let's get this bag open. So like I said, I'll leave the link down below. And click on it and browse around to see what they have. Right now we have here One, two, three, here we go. This is coming from David Archy. One flow, one life.
I don't see anything to connect.
Alexa, cancel.
Canceling.
There you go. DaveArchy.com. Discover more. What is it? Alrighty. Ooh. Ooh la la. Oh, these pajamas. Alright. Ooh. These are comfy. Got a tie right there. Got his logo right here. So that's pretty cool. David Archy. And we got the bottoms. Oh, this is nice. These feel really nice. This is the bottom part. I wish I had a mannequin, but I might try these on for the video. Ooh. So like I said, this would be a nice little gift, you know, or stocking stuffer maybe. Gift to yourself. We got some t-shirt. Dave Archery. So really cool. Thank you guys for sending me this. Definitely going to be wearing it. It's pretty cold out now, so this would be a good time to start wearing these type of pajamas. Cotton. Really nice material. I wonder. Hey. Hold on one sec, guys. Alright, guys, here we go. Pretty good. Fits like a charm. So, alright, guys, if you're looking for pajamas for men's or women's this holiday season to stay nice and cozy, check these guys out. I'll have their website linked down below. Like I said, I don't think they're on Amazon. I just think it's a normal website unboxing to do. So definitely check these guys out, though. Super comfy and pretty stylish, you know? So definitely check them out. See what other styles they have, colors, and sizes. Alright, YouTubers, guys, be safe. Have a good night. See ya.